Virtual tour of Greenwich Park. Aerial view of Greenwich Park on a sunny day, with the iconic Greenwich Observatory in the background. Welcome to Greenwich Park, one of London's most historic and picturesque green spaces with Greenwich Mean Time location. Since 1884, the Prime Meridian has served as the reference point for Greenwich Mean Time, GMT. Join us on this virtual tour as we explore the beauty and rich heritage of this incredible Greenwich Park. Park entrance. Our journey begins at the entrance of Greenwich Park, where visitors are greeted by beautifully manicured lawns and towering trees. Visitors walking along the Greenwich Park's pathways visiting Kھڑے. As we stroll along the Greenwich Park's paths, you'll notice the serene atmosphere and the vibrant colors of nature that surround you. Close-up of the Greenwich Park's flower beds. The Greenwich Park's flower beds are a testament to its horticultural beauty. From tulips to roses, the carefully curated arrangements provide a stunning visual feast. Royal Observatory. Rising above the treetops, the Royal Observatory stands as a symbol of scientific discovery. This historic landmark has played a crucial role in shaping our understanding of time and space. Prime Meridian Line laser projected from the Royal Observatory, marking the original Greenwich Prime Meridian. And right here, at the Royal Observatory, you can stand on the Prime Meridian Line, where the eastern and western hemispheres meet. It's an incredible feeling to be in two places at once. Another fascinating feature of Greenwich Park is its deer enclosure. Home to a small herd of fallow and red deer, these majestic creatures roam freely in their natural habitat. Park's Boating Lake. As we continue our tour, we arrive at the Park's Boating Lake, a tranquil oasis where visitors can rent rowboats and enjoy a leisurely ride on the water. Queen's House. Nearby, the Queen's House stands as a magnificent architectural masterpiece. Originally built as a royal residence, it now serves as an art gallery, housing a remarkable collection of paintings and sculptures. Park's stunning panoramic view of London. And finally, we reach one of the park's most breathtaking spots, the panoramic view of London. From here, you can take in the sweeping vistas of the city's skyline, including the iconic Canary Wharf and the River Thames. And now aerial view of Greenwich Park at sunset. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Greenwich Park. Whether you're an avid nature lover, a history enthusiast, or simply seeking a moment of tranquility, this park offers something truly special. We hope to welcome you in person one day to experience the wonders of Greenwich Park. Royal Observatory. Until then, take care and enjoy the beauty of nature. Please subscribe, like and share the channel. And click the bell icon.